you hear that? You hear these sounds? Whenever you hear the cuckoo, you know summer's on its way. I tell you what, getting out and about in nature like this, having the opportunity to do so, I know everybody doesn't. It's different when you're living in urban areas and wherever. But getting out into this for a walk with the dogs and just taking in everything. Is food for the soul, is good for your soul. It's good for you physically, of course, and it's so good for you mentally. And if you ever get the chance to live in the countryside, or just spend any decent amount of time in it, do so. You won't regret it. It seems to reset you, it seems to rebalance you physically, mentally, calms you down, and it's real life. For me, it puts perspective on life. So much of the time we walk around with perceptions and opinions and views and judgments on life, on the world, on events, on people. But we don't often have true perspective, which is a true view of ourselves and life and all this kind of stuff. And nature seems to force us to pause, take a breath, suck it all in, and remember that we're not just here to be like ants forever, scurrying around, slaving ourselves away to make as much money so we can spend as much money as we can, have the biggest car, the best car, the biggest house, the best clothes. That's some life, some society we create for ourselves. And for me, nature literally brings me back down to earth. And when you're walking through areas like this, the bird song lets you know whether they're happy with you or not. Hear that? That's when you know you're even remotely close to tuning in to nature. Give it a try, folks. See you later.